Hello students, in today's session of sets, very basic concepts of sets will be cleared using illustrations, right? In earlier session, we have discussed all these concepts has been cleared using illustrations from JEE Main, etc., right? Which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. I will also request to go through all these concept killing videos. Concept killing videos. Very important, which you can also review on sethiswiftlearn. Now, let's start with the question. Question is, write the set in roster form. X is positive, integer less than 7, and x square less than 49. What is roster form? Roster form is in which all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and enclosed within curly braces, right? Roster form का second name is tabular form and another name is listing method. Means we can say roster form, we can say tabular form, or we can say listing method. Now we have to write in roster form, means we have to find the individual element by putting the commas and closing the braces. Now we have to satisfy both the conditions. Positive integer less than 7. Less than 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our right. And second is x square less than 49. Less than 49 means x 7 minus 7. Now in this case, minus we have to select only this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Therefore, given set in roster form, or you can say tabular form, or you can say listing method. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? We satisfy both the conditions. Less than 7 and x square less than. ये कैसे आता है? This is according to the Golgi concept. Golgi concept होता है greater of outside and less for inside. And less than का sign ये हो ना, x will be plus minus 2. अगर greater का sign होता तो beyond 7 and minus 7 से less होता. Now in this case it is in between, right? Now next question. Question is, write the following sets in the set builder form. Given form is roster form. Given form is roster form. You have to write in set builder form. What is set builder form? All the elements of set possess single common property which is not possessed by any other element outside the set. A part लिया हमने क्वेश्चन का पहले. A equal to 1 by 2, 4 by 3, 9 by 4, 16 by 5, 25 by 6. Right? We have to write the property of this. The general term of numerator or numerator. 1 का स्क्वायर, 2 का स्क्वायर, 3 का स्क्वायर, 4 का स्क्वायर, तो n का स्क्वायर. General term of denominator. This will become common term is 1, n plus 1. Therefore, general term क्या बनी? n square by n plus 1. Therefore, we can write, therefore, set builder form, or you can say rule form, will be equal to x equal to n square over n plus 1, n should be to 5 greater equal to 1, and belongs to n. This is the set builder, right? Set builder form का another name, rule form. Second is AGLXY. B part is AGLXY. इसको लिख सकते हैं हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लेटर्स ऑफ गैलेक्सी GALAXY. Region we have repeated the 2 times. In the set form, repetition is not allowed. One letter should be written as one. All numbers should be different one. This is the set builder form. Right? Next question. Question is, write the letters of words along with the set form and find the number of subsets in it. Number of subsets का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? 2 की पावर n. N is number of different elements in given set. Right? In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total numbers are given to you. Total numbers are 9. Answer will not be 2 की power 9. Answer 2 की power 9 is wrong. Reason, all are not different. What are the different letters? Different letters are A है, L है, H है, D है, D. These are the 5 different letters. बाकी repeats हो रहे हैं. So in the set form, therefore, set form of given word क्या हो जाएगी? A, L, H, B, D. And number of subsets will be 2 की power 5, that is 32 answer. Purpose question was to make in your mind the impression all the letters should be different. Number of subsets 2 की power 9 भी option given होगा. You can tick that is wrong. Answer is 2 की power 5, that is 32. Next question. Check the sets are comparable or not. For comparable, in this case, A is not a subset of B. B is not a subset of A. B is not subset of all the elements are not A, not all, and A is not equal to B. Right? None of the conditions is satisfied. Therefore, sets are not comparable. Sets are not comparable. Right? Now, next question. Question is, in a group of 1000 people, there are 750 who can speak Hindi only, and 400 can speak Bengali only. Bengali. How many can speak Hindi only? How many can speak Bengali only? How many can speak both Hindi and Bengali? Now in this case, let H be the set spoken Hindi and B be the set spoken Bengali. According to question 750, NH is 750 and B is 400. To find only Hindi means N H intersection B, that is NH minus N H intersection B. Only Bengali, that is N H intersection B, only Bengali, and Bengali minus N H intersection B. Right? And third part is both. Both means N H intersection B. First of all, we will find this one. N H union B equal to NH plus NB minus NH intersection B. Substituting values. This is 1000, this is 700, 750 plus 400 minus H intersection B. Therefore, N H intersection B will be equal to 1150 minus 1000, that is 150. This is one of the answers. And only Hindi mein? Only Hindi. From above, NH. NH is 700, 750. 750 minus 150, that is 600. This is one of the answer. Only Bengali, that is 400 minus 150, that is 250. This is another answer. Right? In this case, the formula applicable was this. In the Venn diagram, क्या होता? Suppose A है, B है, this is A, this is B, this is A intersection B bar, this is A bar intersection B, this is A intersection B, and other. Right? Now, I will request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept building videos. Thank you.